Hi, today's video is going to be on the 2016 Ford Explorer. It does have a key that's located inside the remote. It's inside the remote itself. I'm going to show you guys how to access that, but this is what the vehicle looks like. 2016 Ford Explorer. What you're going to do is turn it over. You have a little button that's right here. You're going to press down on it, and that should separate so you can see where your spare key is. So you can just take this out. See if I can get it out. That's in there pretty good. There we go. There's your spare key, and you can use that to unlock your door. And put that back. You can cover this back, and it just snaps closed. That's it. 2016 Ford Explorer.